Your move of the week this week is a tic-toc. All you need is a resistance band, or you can also use a cable. I do like the bands better because it makes it a little bit harder as you get further out and a little bit easier on the way in. But a cable will work just as well. So to set up here, we want a good athletic position, hips back, and then let's keep those hands straight up overhead. Your arms are gonna stay straight, and then it's pretty much like a side bend from here. So try not to let the hips move as you go over, use those obliques, then control back in towards the wall. And you're gonna wanna make sure you have tension on that band the whole time. So all the way out, control nice and slow, back in, past center. You should really feel this one in your obliques. Make sure you turn around and do the other side. Give it a shot, let us know what you think.